This 2023 CrossRoads Hampton HP372FDB is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features a steely gray interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features bath and a half, couples coach, front living area, kitchen island, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.